Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle of this additional in today's newspaper of a Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, June the 15th, 2021. Two puzzles left. Tectonic with 4 stars and a binary. But first, we will solve this baby. And this one will be number 2951. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 1s and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then, between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Then I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first the first one, second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So this box should be an O. Alright, now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright, then I think I need to compare because I do not know. Yeah, let me do this. Do we have a 101 here? No. Do we have a double O here? Oh, this is almost the same here. I need to switch those two numbers. Yeah, because we have those two are almost the same. If I have the complete column, then I know this column. Okay, how about this column? Double one here. 001. Aha! The fourth column and the first column. 1111 empty box. Oh. So we need to switch those two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Here we have double 1 here, no, there no. Double 1 here, no, there no. Compare again. Yeah, compare again. Do we have a 101? No. Oh, 10. Oh, 10. No. 101. Yeah. Oh, almost the same. Almost. So I think we need to compare the rows. Yeah, this one and the last one. 00111. 00110. O, empty box, empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have O there, this should be a 1. Alright, now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And here we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Completed in 5 minutes. Alright, boys and girls, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 4 stars. See you then. Bye bye for now.